Okay, so welcome to How to Dyno, and in this video I'm going to go over a module that people either overlook or just aren't aware of, and that module is the Fun module. So the Fun module has about 15 commands. You can view these commands in the commands section of the dashboard. So we're just going to go through the commands. There's really nothing special to them. I'm just trying to spread awareness of this because I'm not sure if people are actually aware that this module exists. My favorite has got to be the dog command. I said that in caps, just because of the cool little images it displays, and these are random, and then you can also click on them up here. We've also got cat. Yeah, so nothing special. We've even got an iTunes command where you can search up the name of songs. So let's just search up, I don't know, there you go. So we've got some song information here. So let's go ahead and test out the roll command. You do have the option to choose the number of sides the die has, but we're just going to stick to the default. We'll have Dyno output 4 numbers. So here we've rolled 3 threes, how ironic, and a 2. We've also got a Pokemon command here. I know nothing about Pokemon, so I can't really use it. But yeah, let's just use this example here. There you go. So if you're interested in Pokemon, you've got some stats here. We've got a country command. Let's just check up on the US of A. We got population, the capital, just lots of different stats. Got a plug command. I think this was dedicated to Cardi. Interesting image. Yes. A flip command, which will flip a coin. So you could play with your friends. See who gets the right answer. Ooh, heads. Can we get tails? Oop, okay, a little too quick. You've also got a space command, which will give us information on the space station. We've got, here's another one of my favorites, dad jokes. Not really funny, but I guess they're corny. We've also got a GitHub command where you can pull. You're really supposed to insert the repository name here. I just inserted Dyno because this channel is all about Dyno. So it's pulled up some Netflix OSS. I'm not even sure what this is. So the pull command that I made a video on is also part of this module. If you would like to know how to work this command, I suggest watching that video. Not really going to get into the details of this command, but it is here. We've also got a Norse command, which will give us a random Chuck Norris fact. Nice. We've got the pull show command, which is tied with the pull command. As a bonus, this command is not listed on the site, but we do have this command. And you can also enter, so we can search countries, states, and then who has the top. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So this is the Fun module once again. Really cool commands, or just really unnecessary commands, but I find them cool and cute to use. You know, something to just play with here and there. Dyno is primarily a moderation bot, but we have these commands to play with. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Your point is an elephant.